Hello everyone, welcome back to MATLAB Programming course. My name is Hossein Tootoonchy and I'm a research assistant at California State University, Fullerton. MATLAB is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and fourth-generation programming language which is developed by MathWorks. MATLAB allows matrix manipulation, plotting of functions and data, implementing of algorithms, creation of user interfaces, and interfacing with programs written in other languages, including C, C++, Java, and Fortran. You're also able to convert the MATLAB code into C or C++ within the MATLAB program itself. Nowadays, MATLAB is a necessary part of any technical project, job interviews, as well as academic research. Those with MATLAB programming skill will always have that plus in their resumes. At the end of this course, you are a comfortable MATLAB user and you have the required knowledge of MATLAB to handle intermediate and even some advanced projects. As a self-learned programmer, I will show you how you can be a comfortable MATLAB programmer in less than a month. I've used multiple examples to demonstrate the logic behind any function I introduce, and by taking this course, you will learn MATLAB the easy way. In this course, I've used general examples that is useful for every single major. This course is prepared in multiple chapters covering the most important MATLAB functions and capabilities, and I've dedicated one specific chapter to MATLAB projects that I will update weekly. MATLAB also offers a 30-day trial for this software and you can download and install it for free. As a matter of fact, I designed this course to be completed in less than 30 days. Therefore, I strongly recommend you to install the trial software, get the course, and learn MATLAB in 30 days. By then, you have a broader knowledge about the MATLAB capabilities and you can decide to get it through your university or purchase the software by then. We have a lot to cover, so let's get it started.